Alright, I'm producing this video to help you with your HBL assignment. Alright, so the first assignment, you have a task 1A, exercise 1A. Now, can see, cannot see, too small. Okay, task 1A. Alright, task 1A, you are supposed to draw parallel lines, right? Lines, and you are supposed to join the dots, right? Straight lines. By joining dots, right? By joining dots. So what you need to do, right? Basically, when you want to draw straight lines, right? Straight lines, you will first put a dot, right? Put one dot on a piece of paper. You can see or not. Yeah, draw. I zoom in a little bit so that you can see. All right. First dot, second dot, put about 5 centimeters away, right? Don't have to use ruler to measure, roughly 5 centimeters away. So when I want to draw a straight line, I'll put my pencil on the first dot, right? My eye will look at the second dot. Now do not put your focus on the tip of your pencil, right? Focus on this dot. I place it on the first dot, focus on the second dot down here. Then I will try to move my hand, right, towards the second dot, right? I see. Did I miss target? Did I miss target? Did I hit the target? So my target is here. So I know that I'm hitting the target. I darken. Right? I darken. Right? I darken. There I have my straight lines. Right? Alright? I have my straight lines. Right? Try yourself. First dot. Second dot. Right? Focus on the second dot. Put my eye on the first my pencil on the first dot. I look at this dot. I will move, right? I will move towards. See, I make a scratch that is very gentle first. I move again, right? I know that I'm hitting target, so I will darken, right? That's how I get my straight line. Now, to draw a parallel line, okay, I have a straight line. To draw this line parallel to this line, of course, I put my dot, the two dots about the same distance away. Again, do not need to measure, right? Just use your own judgment, right? Judgment. Now, what happens if you put your eye on this dot, you move? Oh, I miss. See, I miss. Now, I'm not happy with this. I'm not going to, don't need to erase, and I'm not going to darken this. I put my hand down, my pencil down here. Look at this. Focus on the second dot. I move towards it, all right, until I hit the target. Then I darken, right? Then I darken. Now, do I need to erase the one that miss? Right, miss the target? You do not need to erase, because once you darken the line that you want, all right, the mistake will fade off. All right. Now 1B, you are asked to draw slanting line, right? Slanted line, right? Or slope. Right, in design, in many cases you will need to draw a slope. So you same thing, right? It's as good as drawing straight line. First line, second line, right? Focus on this point. I'm going to put my pencil on this point. Right, start here, end here. I know that I'm going to end here. I move. Oh, I miss a bit. So I know that I need to go up a little bit. So I move again. Oh, I hit target this time around. So I'm going to darken it. Right, darken it. Right, so then I got a slope. Now you got to practice a little bit more. All right, do 3 sets of parallel lines, right? 5 sets of five slopes. Now it should be quite fast, right? Don't have to worry too much. Just draw, right? Just draw. Now draw 5 of these, 3 sets of parallel lines. 3 sets of parallel lines, right? For, by the way, this is 1 set, right? So we want to draw 3 sets. Now, then exercise 1C, you are asked to draw circles, right? Sketch circles. Now, 3 is actually very small. Is a very small number, so you should practice as much as possible. All right. Take any A4 size paper will do. All right. If you do not have plain paper, all right, foolscap paper also can, right? As long as you do. All right. Circle. I will use my free hand, draw a circle, but my circle will never be perfect, right? So I will use my free hand. I will not use template. I will search for a good circle. Now, I'm almost satisfied with this circle. I'll darken, right? I'll darken. So you can move around the first circle, see, the first circle is out of shape, so I will correct it. Second one, third one, and bring it closer and closer to a good circle, right? So once I got a good circle, I will darken it. Right, that's it. Right, circle. Concentric circles basically means what? Concentric circles means the center is the same. So I have one circle down here, so I will draw a smaller circle. Try to make it concentric. How to try to make it concentric? I will use the bigger one to guide me. Right, as I move, I will try to keep the distance away from the bigger one even. Right, I'll draw a bigger one. I'll try, right, I'll try my best. I'll try my best to keep I know this is not even already, right? I'll try my best to keep the distance even. All right, try my best to keep the distance even. All right, okay, that's it. Now 1D, you are asked to draw ellipse. How to draw ellipse? All right, to draw ellipse, first of all, you have learned how to draw slanting line. Right, I'm going to draw a slanting line first. Right, draw a slanting line, then I will draw another slanting line goes up here. All right, now I'm going to draw another parallel line, a line that is parallel to this line. All right, a line that is parallel to this line, and I'm going to draw a line that is around parallel to this line, something like that. All right, now if I want to draw ellipse, I know that the center is here, center. My ellipse must touch here, right? I know my ellipse must touch here. My ellipse must touch the center of this parallelogram. Right, it must touch here. It must touch here and goes here. So draw a curve here, and I connect this. Right, so now I have an ellipse. Does it need to be perfect? Unlikely to be perfect, but we try our best. Right, we try our best. Alright, so when you draw ellipse, you will have this as your guide. Alright, now I will darken. Alright, I will darken the line that I want. Right, and I will ignore those that I do not want. Right, like this one outside I do not want, so I'm not going to darken it. Now I'm going to darken it. Once I darken, you will see all my mistake fade away. Alright, once I darken it, you will see that my mistake fade away, and I have quite a good ellipse down here. Right, give it a try. Right, try about 5 ellipse, 6 ellipse, as long as your time permits. Leave some time for your sketching of the shapes later on. Right, okay, I will come back to you on the second video to teach you how to draw the shapes. All right.